In today's digital world, automation is evolving. We're moving from simple bots to agentic AI, intelligent agents that not only understand instructions but autonomously execute tasks across multiple systems. Meet the Claims AI admin solution, which integrates seamlessly with your core claims platform. It's built on an agentic AI framework, where configurable agents perform specific steps in the adjudication workflow, all managed through an intuitive admin interface. Everything starts from the request screen. Here, all claims pending adjudication are listed, with key details shown for quick triage. Once a claim is picked, the process begins. The integration agent jumps into action, extracting all required claim information automatically, no more manual data entry. Next, the review agent applies business rules, like denial code checks and pricing validation, and determines the allowed and paid amounts based on real-time data. With the human-in-the-loop tool combines automation efficiency with expert judgment. Here, in the Verification tab, the agent presents a checklist of all items it has reviewed and validated. Next, the Analysis tab provides a clear summary of the agent's findings and recommendations for this claim. Finally, in the Request Update tab, a human reviewer examines all the information, and with a single click on Confirm, finalizes the adjudication. Once confirmed, the integration agent completes the process by posting the final decision and payment details back to the core claims system. The results are instantly visible in your claims application, a seamless update reflecting the finalized adjudication and payment. Not only limited to automated process flow, the tool further supports decision-making leveraging its Knowledge AI section, thus empowers users and agents to instantly retrieve information or clarify rules directly from the SOP, ensuring everyone has the right answer at their fingertips. BPS Digital Agentic AI in Claims Operations, bringing intelligent automation to end-to-end claims processing, so the human agents can focus on what matters the most.